All right, guys, 2022 Toyota Tacoma V6 TRD. As you guys see, got army green, really cool looking truck. Oh, love it. Hope you guys like it. Got converter there, converter there. It's got two more on top, there and there. Then it wires into a single there, and then we put an XLerator. Part number XS1235 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2.5-inch pipe right there. And then it continues 2.5-inch. And we also put on a black tip roll out the back right there. As you guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. There's the truck right there, all the way from Hawaii. As you guys can see, I think he just moved here. So welcome to Tennessee. Hope you guys like it. We love Tennessee. And like always, guys, if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. There's the muffler that was on it right there that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2024 Toyota Tacoma V6 lifted, clean truck. It's only got 100 miles on it. Barely anything. He just got it. Then he brought it to us. He's a good friend of ours. So it's got 4 converters on it still. Toyota does 4. One here, one on top, one on the bottom. Then it wires into a single over here. And then we put on it the Flowmaster Super 10, part number 842518, as you guys can see right there. Then you have to add an extension piece on it because the muffler's long. Out the side into a sexy Natami tip. There'll be a link in the description for an angle cut. As you guys can see, dual tip. Came out really nice, really clean. It gives it a really nice look out the back. There it is. Clean. So I'm going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys. 2023 Toyota Tacoma V6. All the way from the land of Instagram. We appreciate them coming down. All right, let me show you guys what we've done to it. Factory converter, there. There's primaries up there too, so it's got a total of 4 converters on it. Why, Toyota? Why? But it's okay. Then it wires into a single there. Then we cut the stock muffler off and put a Carven TR, as you guys can see right there. Had to add an extension because that's how big the old muffler was. Then stock tailpipe, and then finished it off with a double wall black tip by Natami. 4-inch. Came out nice, clean. As you guys can see right there. Check it out. There it is. There's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. All right. You guys ready to hear it? We are. Stay tuned. Hope you guys like it. 2022 Tacoma V6 with an XLerator muffler and a black tip. You don't want it too loud. Just a clean sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 94. Again. Toyota Tacoma TRD. Sounds really nice. And the nice thing about these mufflers, guys, in about 30 days they break in, get a little bit louder. That's clean. Sound decibels. 106. Lifted and everything already too. It's so clean. I like it. What do you guys think? Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tacoma V6. Go ahead. clean sound. Carven was made for Toyota. Don't know we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's a good sound. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Tacoma V6, XLerator muffler, and black tip in the rain. I don't know if you guys can see the rain. The rain gives it a sparkle. Awesome. Tacoma Flowmaster Super 10 and dual tip 23. Very clean truck. Yeah, the dual tip looks so much better on it. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. Here we go. Yeah, that's clean. Carven TR. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. For a V6, it's great. No rasp. It was nice.